Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week, everyone, we are going to learn to one-up someone or something. All right, so let's get started. But first, as always, let's do a quick review of last week's lesson. All right, everyone, so imagine I ask you, when should the other managers join the budget meetings? Okay, so they are very important meetings. There's lots of planning involved, and you think the other managers should join right away or as soon as possible. So, what's the expression? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said they should join off the bat, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering the expression. Okay, everyone, let's move on to one-up someone. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. All right, so I'm talking with my good friend and colleague, and I ask him, how do we get more customers? You know, we've been trying very hard, but it is very difficult. Competition is very tough. Taro says, of course, well, we need to be better than our competitors, right? That's very good advice, simple, but very helpful. Now, there is another way of saying to be better than, and that is, we need to one-up our competitors, okay? So this means to be better than or to be ahead of. Okay, so for example, we need to one-up our competitors by making our product more effective, for example. Or you might say, I don't like being in meetings with Mr. A because he's always trying to one-up me. He's always trying to be better than me. He's always competing with me. So it's very stressful, okay? So to one-up someone, for example, they are here. You're trying to one-up them. You're trying to be better than them. You're trying to get ahead of them. You're trying to defeat them, okay? So to one-up your competitors, you need to have maybe many strategies. All right? So please remember this for next time. All right, pronunciation here, everyone, very simple, so please repeat after me. To one-up, okay? So we need to one-up our competitors. Your turn. Very good. All right, now after my question, so how do we get more customers? What do we need to do? That's right. So in order to one-up competitors, maybe we need to rethink our price. Maybe we need to think more about our marketing strategy. Something like that, okay? All right, so please remember that for next week's review. Okay, everyone, our bonus question this week is another way to say I am so happy. If you know what the answer is, please leave it in the comments below. If not, then, well, you can find it in one of our previous Bizmates for Beginners video lessons, okay? But I will give you a hint, all right? There is a number involved in this, okay? The number is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? So that's a hint. Hopefully that jogs or refreshes your memory. Okay, everyone. So that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great one, everyone, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.